This is Michael Lucas from How to Livable. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode, also called either dim or lights out mode, on Twitter. First, you're going to click on More here in the navigation bar. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. And then you're going to click on Display again. Now here at the bottom, you can also change the colors, which is kind of cool too, if you want a different color for the buttons on Twitter. But what we're really going to look at here is the background. So dim or lights out. I'm actually going to move me. Whoa! So dim, which will take some of the strain off your eyes, just having that, immediately it just feels better. Or you can go to lights out, complete black. I think a lot of people choose dim, which also looks like Facebook's default now in dark mode. So you have dim or lights out here. And then it does auto save. So you don't have to click anything else to publish it. You choose dim or lights out. You can always come back here to change it at any time. But that's how you go ahead and activate dark mode on Twitter. So enjoy the less strain on your eyes. And if this has been helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. If you have any other questions about this specifically or anything else within Twitter, ask a question and I'll try to make a video that shows you how to fix it. Thanks.